Larry White, a 1959 Spooner alumnus and resident of Cedar Edge, Colorado, made his second large donation to the Spooner High School vocational program on Monday, April 16th, by writing a $20,000 check for a CNC milling machine and tools.
Pick the interest, perhaps, of students that get going.
Yeah, it's a nice milling machine that was donated from Mr. White a few years ago. We use that just about every day to go to everything from this small little project to big project we built for the.
White and representatives from area machining companies talked about the importance of industry's involvement with the school.
It's pretty neat, in addition to getting material.
So if we get one like that, the kids are training on what's real world right now. So that's pretty important. And also, when we were down there, one of Steve's people offered to come in and train, or have you come down even during the day and stand there and watch him, and he'll show you what he's doing, and And I've talked to 2 or 3 other people that are willing to do the same thing, So I think we got a good mate here, and Larry looked at it, and I think you kind of give us a nod that you like the looks of that.
So Mr. Larry White, class of 1959.
My wife Dawn and I graduated in 1959, Dawn Pennington.
Okay, so we're back in Spooner High School, the new building. Why are we here today? What's going on today?
Well, we're hoping to add to the metal shop here and add some technology to it that will help the students. And we want to bring in something in the way of a CNC type milling machine, and on the horizon perhaps a CNC plasma cutting system. And we're looking at the size of the shop and see what we can put in here in new equipment, and the support that we get from the local industry, tremendous.
Talk about local industry. We have 3 representatives here from TNT Tool, Spooner Machine, and the Stressel Lab.
Hanson Machine.
Hanson Machine, excuse me. So, gentlemen, why is this investment important? Why is this an important investment for Spooner?
I think it's important for the students to find an interest in this particular field. It's a field that has lost a lot of population over the last few years. The demand in this area is very strong for welding and machinists. We have a lot of small manufacturers that are looking for individuals with good work ethic, and hopefully they have at least a certain amount of skill that they've been taught, and this is an opportunity for us to help support that.
So, Mr. White, you've already made an investment in the program here, and are we looking at a plasma cutter? Is that what we're looking at?
We're looking at a milling machine that will be a CNC type milling machine, and then a plasma cutter as well later on.
Okay, so Mr. McQuade, what kind of impact will that have on this particular program? You're very familiar with the program here at Spooner. What kind of impact will that have for our students?
The opportunity for the students to get exposure to the industry and the opportunity to work on equipment that's real life and true life at this point.
All right. Do you have any comments?
I would agree. The machinery that they have in here is archaic. It's not what's really used in the industry today. It doesn't give the kids a good example of what's being used.
To all my graduates, or fellow graduates I should say, that maybe they open up their billfold and kind of help this program out. And I belong to the generation known as the silent generation, the generation before the baby boomers. And our parents, of course, were the ones that went through the Great Depression, fought World War II. And we had tremendous opportunities. I don't think that should just be put into our bank accounts and put away. We need to open up our billfolds and start helping out here and help the young people come along today.
So, Mr. White's investment, what will that mean to the program here at Spooner?
That would be a great addition to all of the machining and tool and die classes that we do. It'll upgrade us up to the current CNC and the technologies.
Okay. So he's made donations previously.
Yes.
You were talking about this machine.
The metal fabricating tool here.
You donated this before.
That was donated, and we've used this now just about every day. We've built everything for projects out for the community, fire department, a lot of student projects, everything from motorcycle frames, go-kart frames, roll bars, roll cages, trailers.
How much does something like this cost?
This machine right here is right around $15,000.
And so you just donated it?
Donated.
Okay.